What if I told you that the key to creating captivating videos lies not in the camera, but in the editing room? Picture this, a video that starts off as a chaotic collection of clips, but through the magic of editing, transforms into a compelling story that grips your audience from start to finish. Hello, everyone. Have you ever wondered how your favorite YouTubers create such engaging videos? Or why some videos leave you spellbound while others barely keep your attention? Today, we're diving deep into the heart of video editing to uncover the secrets that professionals use to make their content stand out. Imagine for a moment that your video footage is like a raw diamond. Uncut, it has potential, but it's the meticulous cutting and polishing that reveal its true brilliance. Video editing is the craft that turns raw footage into a masterpiece. It's about more than just cutting and pasting clips together. It's about storytelling, pacing, emotion, and creating a visual experience that resonates with your viewers. Let's start with the basics. Every great edit begins with a solid understanding of the footage. Before you even touch your editing software, take the time to watch through all your clips. Get a feel for the content and envision how the story will unfold. Think of it like assembling a puzzle. You need to see the bigger picture to know where each piece fits. Once you have a clear vision, it's time to dive into your editing software. Whether you're using Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve, the principles remain the same. Familiarize yourself with the interface. Learn the shortcuts. These will save you hours in the long run. Now, let's talk about the timeline. This is where the magic happens. It's the canvas where you'll paint your story. Start by laying down your primary footage. This is the backbone of your video. Next, consider your B-roll. These are supplementary clips that add context and depth to your story. For instance, if you're editing a travel vlog, your primary footage might be you talking to the camera, while your B-roll could include sweeping landscapes, bustling markets, and candid moments. B-roll is essential for creating a dynamic and engaging video. It breaks up the monotony of talking headshots and keeps your audience visually stimulated. Think of it like seasoning in a recipe. It enhances the flavor and makes the final dish more enjoyable. Now, let's move on to transitions. Smooth transitions are the hallmark of professional editing. They guide your viewers from one scene to the next without jarring cuts that disrupt the flow. While there are countless transition effects available, simplicity is often best. A well-placed cut, dissolve, or fade can be far more effective than flashy effects. The key is to use transitions to enhance your story, not distract from it. Next, we have color grading. This is where your video can truly come to life. Color grading is the process of adjusting the colors in your footage to create a specific mood or look. Think of it as the difference between a black and white sketch and a vibrant painting. It adds depth, emotion, and professionalism to your video. Most editing software comes with built-in color correction tools. Start by adjusting the basics: brightness, contrast, and saturation. Once you're comfortable, you can move on to more advanced techniques like color wheels and curves. Remember, the goal of color grading is to enhance the visual storytelling. It's about creating a cohesive look that supports the narrative. For example, a warm, golden tone might evoke feelings of nostalgia, while a cool, blue tone could create a sense of calm or melancholy. Now, let's talk about audio. Audio is often overlooked, but it's just as important as the visuals. Poor audio quality can ruin an otherwise great video. Start by cleaning up your audio tracks. Remove background noise, adjust levels, and ensure that dialogue is clear and crisp. Next, add music and sound effects. These are powerful tools for setting the mood and enhancing the viewer's experience. Choose music that complements your video's tone. For example, an upbeat track might work well for a travel vlog, while a dramatic score could enhance a cinematic short film. Sound effects can add realism and immersion. A subtle whoosh during a transition, the sound of footsteps, or the ambient noise of a busy street can make your video feel more alive. Remember, the key to great audio is balance. The music and sound effects should complement, not overpower, your dialogue and main audio. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into some advanced techniques. One powerful technique is the use of motion graphics. These are animated elements that can add a professional touch to your videos. Think of lower thirds, titles, and animated logos. These elements can be created in software like After Effects or using templates in your editing software. Motion graphics can help to reinforce your branding and make your videos more engaging. Another advanced technique is the use of speed ramps. This is the process of varying the speed of your footage to create dramatic effects. For example, you might speed up a mundane action to make it more interesting or slow down a critical moment to emphasize its importance. Speed ramps can add a dynamic and cinematic quality to your videos. Next, let's talk about storytelling. At its core, video editing is about telling a story. It's about guiding your viewers through a journey with a beginning, middle, and end. Every cut, transition, and effect should serve the story. Think about the emotional arc of your video. Are you building tension? Creating suspense? Delivering a heartfelt message? Use your editing skills to enhance these emotions and draw your viewers in. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment. The best editors are always learning and trying new things. Push the boundaries of your creativity. Watch tutorials, study other creators, and practice, practice, practice. Remember, every great editor started as a beginner. With time, dedication, and passion, you can master the art of video editing and create content that captivates and inspires. For more insights and updates, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your experiences. Thank you for joining us today. See you next time, and keep exploring.